Lichun is the first of the 24 solar terms of the traditional Chinese calendar. Eating spring pancakes on the day of Lichun is referred to as biting into spring. According to the Sishi Baojing of the Tang Dynasty, on the day of Lichun, people eat reed, spring pancakes, and lettuce, which is known as vegetable platter. It can be seen that since the Tang Dynasty, there was already a custom of eating spring pancakes. Biting into spring means to welcome the beginning of the new year, passed down from generation to generation. The spring pancakes of ancient times have evolved into another kind of cuisine. Today I will be presenting you with the classic Chinese dish, spring rolls. Rinse the cabbage and mushrooms with water. Set aside. Wash the meat pieces. Drain the water and set aside. Cut the mushrooms into evenly sized pieces, then place in a bowl. Peel cabbage leaves from the root and cut into shreds horizontally. Slice the meat into shreds, place in a small bowl and set aside. Take a small bowl of cornstarch, add water to form a thick mixture, then stir well. Add some oil into a pan. When the oil is hot, add the shredded meat and stir fry. Once the meat is browned, add cabbage and continue to stir fry. Then add the shiitake mushrooms and stir fry. Add water and stir gently. Season with salt. Finally, add the thick mixture. Stir fry evenly and remove from the pan. Transfer to a larger bowl and leave to cool. Take a sheet of spring roll skin. Add the shredded meat and cabbage filling. Wrap and shape. To finish, dip some thickening mixture applied to the corners of the wrapper to help it stick and seal. Pour cooking oil into a pot. Heat the oil to 150 degrees centigrade, then add the spring rolls. Fry until the surface is golden brown. Drain off the oil in a draining pan. Lastly, serve on a plate. The batter is thin as wings of a cicada, resembling the flowing skirt of a young lady wrapping up the enchanting beauty. Under the blistering heat, it forms a unique charm. Spring encompasses all things, like a pancake that can be rolled into anything. All kinds of ingredients can be combined according to your preference, sweet or savory, natural and unrestrained.